going to get all this off so it looks less, again, like a Royal Mail van. I'm going to get this off. Little numbers here. And it is coming off quite well with a heat gun. See there, and then I'll sand this down like I've done with the rest of the van. It really is solid. If you don't use a heat gun, it just comes off in bits. But a bit of heat there to soften the glue. It comes off quite easily. There we have it. Come on, one piece. Just leaving the sticky stuff behind there though. I thought it was going to be a nightmare, but not too bad. It's just me in the van, so that's plenty. When I'm driving, I can switch that over. Get power off the alternator, off the battery, and then the solar goes on top of that. So I could have up to 400 watt on this Blue Yeti. I think it's 200 watt max on the solar, and then you can have 200 with DC. So it's just going to be full all the time. Free lecky. Why are we all doing this? So let's do something random. I've decided I'm going to keep the steel bins on, but I'm just cleaning them now, prepping them. I've got a primer and I've got a black mat. I'm going to spray them, black mat, and then I'm going to get them trims, some black trims. I was going to put some Peugeot 407 alloys on, but this is a commercial vehicle, so I think I was 400 kilogram overweight. The Peugeot Expert alloys are about £375 per wheel without the tyre. And for that reason, I decided to not spend £1,000 and spend about £40 just refurbing them, getting them looking half decent, get some fresh winter tyres on for added grip. I might even go for some of these BFGs or all-terrain tyres with a grip on the side. I might even go for some of them. Just scraping everything off, and then I'll degrease it, and then I'll start putting the primer on. We'll do that for all 3 tyres. No, my van does have 4 tyres, but I am picking up a new full tyre tomorrow because of this situation. There's a 3-pointer right there. Look at that. It's ready to go. It's not holding air 100%. Plus it's dangerous and it's 3 points. So I'll be getting that tomorrow, putting that on, and then I'll spray that as well. That's the first coat. I was too close, so it's dripped. You got to be 25 centimetres away. So better look on this one. This masking tape is, I don't know if it's a cheap one or what. If I've had it too long, it's gone past its sell by date because it just keeps on coming off in bits. See that there? Yeah, I'm having a nightmare with it. And to be honest, I don't think it's going to do much anyway, is it? I could do with covering the full wheel, but I just can't be bothered because it'll be getting changed anyway. I use that word a lot. Can't be bothered, can't be arsed. And I don't really have to cover spray it all anyway, because they've got about, I think it's 8 look like spokes, and then you'll be able to just see through the centre bit. So I don't want silver shining through. I'd rather have it black on black. It should look all right, to be honest. Seeing that they're probably 10-15 years old. This is 2012, so yeah, they're quite old. I'm gonna give them a new lease of life. Pimp my wheel. But I mean, just look at this area. I'm actually on my way over Lincolnshire way to hopefully do some detecting this weekend. If it stays like this, should be a good one. If you want to see my metal detecting channel, the link is in the description. I'm using this as a time travelling vehicle. I'm going around the country and pulling up history to show on my YouTube channel. Yeah, why not? Well, this is what I'm using. It costs about £6. Big tin, should do it all. This is the primer. I did try and get the grey, but they're sold out. Now let's do 25 centimetres away from the steel. I haven't got a tape measure. First coat's just a nice light dusted. Oh, too close. Ah, that's better than the last one. Right. Yeah, look at state of that. First one. Second one. This one should be even better. Surely it can't be any worse. It doesn't look too bad. I think it's because it's different. Even just with a white. Pick my wheels. Yeah, I'm going to look a bit odd with one silver tyre and 3 white ones, but I'm going to start with the matte black now. Don't look too bad. I'm quite happy with the finish on these. Even the bad one looks okay. Look at my wheels. Getting new wheels on. But for 12 quid, 13 quid in about an hour and a half. Okay then. About, you can get a bargain. 20 quid. What's like new? Treads are alright. So that'll be going on. And the other one will be going underneath as a spare for now. So let's give this a clean and a lick of paint. So I don't think this has ever had a spare tyre on underneath. And this cradle, this is all rusted, corroded. Put some WD-40 on for a bit. I might actually have to move this over to one side as well. Think about this at the time. Let's give that a turn. Oh, it's moving a little bit more than it did, but not enough. That must screw up there. That must be the way. It's this here. Some more brake cleaner on. It's your eyes. That's not so good though. Should be wearing a mask. That's just let it soak. Oh, let's get from above there. WD-40. Yeah, it is dark. I just want it done. It's playing on my mind. Got other things to do tomorrow. I'll get these wheels done and dusted. And I haven't even got the plastic rims ordered yet. I'll do that tonight. I've just put that. You can't see a bloody thing in dark, can you? And light shining in your face. Huh? Where did I throw it? It's right over there. Right in front of my eyes. It's getting top.
going to pick another rim up for that. But for now, it will do. I've done 5,000 miles with it. Like that. Expected it to blow. Don't know why I left it so long. It's definitely a 3-pointer anyway, looking at it. So I was lucky. It's changed now. So yeah, too late. Traffic wardens. Oh man, I'm nearly swinging on that. Right, I might have to let it soak till tomorrow. God damn it. Perseverance, loads of WD-40, and some just brute strength. And is that moving? We have movement. Yes. That took some rocking, that. I thought if this slips now, I'll end up on my back. It's done it. I love it when the evenings are like this, just so calm and still. It's not that cold, it is a bit chilly, but nothing too much. So, this should just up, twist and shake. Here we are. Yes. Right, let's see if I've got to get my drill out now to move that exhaust for my diesel heater. It might actually be okay. Because it looks like it cleans that side. It's going to be easy, isn't it? Put that weight on it. Oh, it's going to miss it. No, I'm going to have to move it. Oh, come on. Oh, hang on. Let's get a leg on it. No, it's just gonna hit it, just gonna touch it, I think. How is it? Oh, get in. Right. Ah! That's it. Come on. Get the hook on. Oh no. We're having it. We're having it. Knees. Come on. There we are. There we are. Now I'm going to spray this. Well, it's deployed. Lovely jubbly. Always good to have a spare. They don't come with spares. And it has been on my mind. So now, I think to my mind of worries. So let more worries in. There's actually a massive queue ready to get into my mind. As soon as I get rid of one, then another one turns up. Let's remember to keep that bit out. I'm going to do this back step. I'll leave a little gap there. Job done. There we have now fuller with a spare on the underside. Black steels. I have put the centre pieces on until my trims arrive. After watching all that and all that hard work, you need to see the when the trims are on. It's gonna look sweet. So you won't see that till next video. So you're gonna have to subscribe, notify, like, and enjoy your week. Bye for now. Bye.